unfortunately it is. Meteorological spring has arrived and it is on time. We do have some scattered showers and thunderstorms that are forming out to the west, but that environment here in East Texas, very rich for storms to develop late tonight, early tomorrow morning for our area. But those wind speeds right now, they have been gusting over 20 miles per hour at times, but right now they are generally sustained from about 15 to 20 miles per hour area wide. And these winds will continue to pick up overnight, which means, yeah, we are probably going to have a lot of wind energy to work with when these storms roll through the area. But temperatures are in the upper 60s and lower 70s, so we still have some energy to work with, or instability to work with, which is one thing you need to have if there are going to be severe thunderstorms that develop. And what's kept our temperatures in check, even rising just a little bit, is the fact that the warm front is now retreated up to the north and to the northeast, and that is opening up the door for this slow-moving cold front to advance eastward overnight. And we're already starting to see from the lift, because you need lift to get these showers and thunderstorms ramping up. With this front moving to the east, this has triggered more thunderstorms to form in western Oklahoma, and they've really blown up over the last hour. I mean, look at this. From Weatherford, Oklahoma, down towards Elk City, Oklahoma, we've got several severe thunderstorm warnings, and they are headed straight towards Interstate 44 and Interstate 35, which means it's going to be a while before those thunderstorms move into East Texas. But here's how that's going to look after midnight tonight. Between now and midnight, maybe a little bit of drizzle, maybe a quick little shower or two, but I don't expect the rain to really roll in until after midnight. We could see some scattered showers and thunderstorms as early as 6 o'clock, but that main line of storms is going to remain to our west until after 6 o'clock. It moves into the area by 8 o'clock, and we are seeing storms for our central and northern counties through 8, and then the line of storms moves eastward, and we'll continue to see these scattered showers and thunderstorms in our eastern counties. But by noontime, storms move out and those strong dry winds move in from the west, hence the fire danger that we have out to our west. And then we'll dry out tomorrow night, mostly clear skies. It will be a little chilly tomorrow night as well. We do have a level 3 enhanced risk of severe weather for our central and northern counties, and that is also accompanied with a slight risk for our southwestern counties. Best chance of severe weather will be between 6 and 9 o'clock for Athens, Mineola, Sulphur Springs, about an hour after that for Tyler and Longview, and then for our far eastern counties, including the counties that border the Texas-Louisiana border, and Angelina and Nacogdoches counties, best chance of storms will be between 8 o'clock in the morning and about noontime tomorrow. The main threat, damaging wind gusts, followed by the tornado threat, which is at a medium. But right now, I don't think we will have a ton of instability because, folks, the storms are moving through in the morning, so we're not going to have a lot of energy for these storms to work with, and you really need high thunderstorms that go way up into the atmosphere to develop those updrafts to support hail, so that threat's going to be low. And since these storms are moving through so quickly, I don't think that's going to give us enough time to have a major flash flood threat associated with this. But Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, all dry, temperatures warming up in the afternoons. A few isolated showers around Saturday. Sunday and Monday, we will remain dry, high temperatures in the upper 60s and lower 70s. And then as we look at Deep East Texas, similar deal. We will have that chance of severe thunderstorms tomorrow morning, coming to an end by noontime, and then it should be dry and quiet Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Isaac, Casey.
Thank you.